In this video, we'll be talking about plumbing fixture specifications and additional level of detail in schedules included for code permitting, for easier bidding before specs are available. It's just additional information that's there built into the schedules that you guys can choose to use or hide or remove, whatever your preference may be. So this is the domestic fixture schedule in the MPP. It's got a lot of common information that you guys would see on a lot of projects. However, it started to whittle down those paragraphs of information in the specification for the pieces of data. So, what are the water flow restrictions on the aerators? What are the temperatures, hot water, mixed temperature? What's the max mixed water temperature for a given fixture? And also flush volumes. This is coming up more and more in water conservation, and code permitting offices want to see this information. And if that's in your specification and not on your drawings, then you've got questions. So we've put it here to answer those questions early on, which also helps out the bidding process as well if specs aren't available. So we do still have a paragraph-like piece of information. But we've whittled down all the pieces of data that actually shows up in the schedule. So you're left with actually just a sentence or two about the given fixture. And then in these given schedules, or pretty much all the schedules, we included remarks for any specific unique conditions. So all of this is filled in on specific manufacturers to begin with. From the test elements and from the groups, I would encourage you guys to sit down with your firms and find out what specific information you want to show here, if you want to show it. And if you do, go and edit those families as test elements or in the design option groups so that you can edit them once before this model gets rolled out and users start placing everything. Ideally, though, you'll end up with more information in your project, less code permitting questions on information that's found in the spec that wasn't included for permitting, and also more accurate bidding earlier on. Thanks.